Okay, now that we've covered the relationships of series, progression, alternative, action, manner, comparison, and negative, positive, I want to give a few more examples of arcing various scripture passages that utilize just these relationships to give you some more examples of the process of arcing. So let's take a look at Revelation chapter 1, verse 1b, the second half of verse 1 there, which says this: He made it known by sending his angel to his servant John. He made it known by sending his angel to his servant John. So, how do we arc this passage? First, we've read over the passage, and we want to begin to define the individual propositions. So what is the first proposition? What is the first verbal assertion? He made it known, God made it known, is the verbal assertion, because then we run into, if we want to go any further, the word by, which may be a key word for us pointing to a relationship. So we definitely have a verbal assertion, he made it known. Then we have this word that may be a key word for us defining a relationship. How did he make it known? By sending his angel to his servant John. So we have a second, he sent his angel to his servant John, a second proposition here. So let's write these out individually as propositions. He made it known. And then let's use the word by as a keyword, by sending his angel to his servant John. And then we'll label these propositions. This is verse 1a and verse 1a and b. Draw a line. We have two propositions. And so then how do we define the relationship between these two propositions? We said that we have this potentially keyword by, and that points us to the relationship of action and manner. And we can ask the question, does that make sense? Is this the statement of an action and then a more precise statement which indicates the way or the manner in which this action is carried out? And I would say yes. He made it known. How did he make it known? What was the action or manner, the more precise statement which describes the manner in which he carried it out? He made it known by sending a telegram? No, by sending his angel to his servant John. So that word by points us to the relationship of action and manner. So we can go ahead and label this as action, manner, one arc over the top. And that's an example of identifying the relationship of action and manner when we have all these relationships now to choose from.